Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes, and I work as a consultant on the development team at Analysis Prime. And today I want to talk about one of the enhancements of the second quarter of 2025. This enhancement will apply to the Excel add-in. Now, normally in the cells, the height and width of the cells, when you refresh a table, it will default to the height and width of that cell. So, but now the enhancement will allow you to freeze those columns and those rows to a specific height. So to get to that, you want to open up the designer panel for that table. And then if you go to styling, you can see you can select keep cells, height and width. If you select that, let's go back over here, we'll test it. And let's adjust this width and height of a few cells. If we refresh it now, you'll see it keeps the width and the height now of those cells.